Here we go with the crowning. While we're here, we have a bend arc crown arc with a simple adjustment here on our middle wheel that's going to allow us to put that crown through the frame that's required so that we have runoff. Now, we have a crank handle here, which is driven with this gear here. So what we're going to do, Damon's going to lift that end up. See how this centre part is elevated, so I can lift that centre, we can drop it in. Now what we're looking for is we're looking for a zero, if you like. Now the zero allows us to pull this through. So if I push that back to you, Damon, okay, so there's no restriction there. As soon as I put a turn on that, that won't allow me to push that down. So we're going to get Damon to pull it out, take pressure off the wheel. I'm going to use the notch mark here that Damon has on his shop. I'm going to turn that 1.5 times. Okay, so if we put that back down, I won't be able to pull that through, but I will be able to crank it. Okay, so that's the action of the crown. What you couldn't see on camera was Damon holding that perfectly square so that we get a beautiful arc that goes through, not leaning over, but nice and square. So if we look at that now, we're looking for a 2-inch crown. I'd suggest we need a little more, Damon, would you? Yep. Okay, so would you suggest another one full turn?
Yep.
Okay, so let's wind it back. You might need to pull on that a little. So there's certainly some pressure on that now. And if we pull that out, I'm just going to loosen that back off. Let me turn that over. There you have our 2-inch crown, narrowed here naturally enough because we've taken that out of there. It's as simple as that. Do yourself a favour, get a crowner and your work will be spot on from here on. Now, in the next session, we're just going to quickly cut and make some pattern available. We'll go to the pattern stage with Dave Elliott.